Okay, so my son made quite a bit of progress for me. I guess it was last weekend, and I thought I was going to get to finish it and put it back together this weekend, because we just ordered a new master cylinder here, because this one was all bad. I got some video, but I can show you here now. That's just gunk all inside there. You can see a little bit of light through there, and you probably could clean this up, and I may end up doing that because I ordered one. Where I put it, here it is. Says it fits an RD400 right on the website. Of course, it's Amazon, Chinese stuff or whatever. And it does appear to be fine. It goes on just right. Everything lines up. Oh crap. That stuff's the pad stuff and the caliper. Everything lines up, so it mounts on the cycle like this, so it actually lines up. It'd just be tilted a little bit, right? Which may make a difference on the travel for this, but I'm not sure. So that part's messed up. It's a small little reservoir. I don't really like that. This one has this size on there and a lot bigger hole, so I don't know if that braking force would matter or not. This is the part you can't see anything in. Right in there, it's pretty nasty. Can you see that? I'll get it higher here. So right there, it's pretty nasty in there as well. But the main thing that I'm kind of concerned about with the one that I ordered, because I'm sure I can find one, is this piece here that has two plugs that goes to it. There's two wires down there, so it's some kind of sensor or something. And again, it is all, you know, clogged up as well. So everything just needs cleaned. And I don't know how you're gonna clean this, because it's enclosed and there's, you know, those are electrical wire connectors, not a hole to blow through. So, but anyway, that was the main thing, because this would go on here. I think your reservoir thing came out the back, if I remember. And then this would go on this side bolt, or maybe it was the top. Yeah, it goes on here, I think, like this. Yeah, I think that's how it went. So this thing was like here somewhere. I think your piston was down. No, that's your brake line. So here it goes, like this. That's how that went in there. And then this is for your brake line going off. This was the reservoir coming in right here. Or maybe back there was the reservoir. And then this thing. So anyway, whatever way it went back together, I'll figure it out. So that's the main reason, because it's a little bit different, has this. So I think I'm going to go ahead and order a new, try to find this is what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit. This piston, maybe I can find a rebuild kit, but you know, it's really just whatever that crap is. It's not rust. I already cleaned this out, but there's a bunch of brown mud looking stuff inside there. And this was completely dry when I got the bike, so it could just be the way that a little bit of dust and dirt mixing with brake fluid, maybe that's what it does. So anyway, it was just kind of a thick mud, and that's what all this looks like. It's kind of a brown mud in there like that. So yeah, see, you can see that right there. It's like a brown mud or something. Get that light on there. I got a cool red brake line just kind of to match the bike, and I think that'll look kind of cool back there. So got a new brake line, because it also, we tried blowing air through there. We hooked up one of the banjo bolts and went through that, and there's no flow through the brake line either, which probably has that whole bunch of brown mud looking stuff inside it as well. So not really sure. I'm gonna have to go look and see if I can order these parts and get a new one of these, or if I can find one that actually looks correct and has all the parts on it. And if I can find one that matches correctly, then I'll just go ahead and return this one and get a new one. And just, you know, Amazon, part not as described, right? A lot of times you get what you pay for. That was only $13. So, you know, but it listed like 7 different bikes on there, and that's why it's supposed to be universal. And it probably would work. You could probably get it on there. You just wouldn't have your sensor. I'm not sure what that's for. So end up being something I don't need, then I might think about it. But I'll probably just try to find one and that is actually correct and put that on there before I move forward. So yeah, that's about it really. We got it all apart. Once we get the brake done, this is the rear brake, definitely will need a new, I gotta do that too, I need to write that down. Need a new air filter. This one's kind of brittle there. It's coming apart and whatnot, so we'll need a new air filter as well. And then as also, we're having some issues with the pistons. They're stuck in there pretty tightly, and not sure what I'm gonna do with that. It won't budge, so it's not coming out with the air trick. And this is what we got. We've got this thing in here, pretty nasty also. That's got the lots of rust. I've had it soaking in PB Blaster and some other things trying to get that out of there, but if we can get those pistons out and get a rebuild kit, if not, a new piston's like $100. And this is, you know, it's good shape. It just, you know, looks nice and everything still. It's just that piston won't come out of there. If I can get it out, then we probably can clean it up. But if not, then I'm gonna have to purchase one of those as well. Then I can, I guess, test it out. He also got all the oil tank cleaned out and everything for me. So we made some pretty good progress. I just don't want to start it up till I'm ready, because I'm going to want to go down the road. But that's about it for right now. Just a little update on this, and hopefully next week I'll have some more. So next weekend I'll order these parts and stuff. They should be here before Friday, and then I can get back started on it again, and we'll have a better answer next weekend. As always, thanks for watching. Get out there, do something, tinker around a little bit, and we'll catch you in the next video.